Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the audio on like a CapCut template. So I'm just going to select this one, for instance. Select use template and select pictures. I'm just going to select pictures of Taylor Swift. Then I'm just going to select preview. Actually, I want to change this one to this one, and then I'm going to select preview. Then you're just going to select export and select save and share to TikTok. And this is where you are going to basically change the audio. You're going to change it on the TikTok app. That's the other way to change it. You can save it to your device and then open CapCut again and then add the audio, but it will take longer. So it's just going to direct you to TikTok. You're going to select add sound. Actually, you're going to edit it first, so go to edit, and you're going to mute the video. There's a mute button, and you're going to add a sound of your choice. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!